Hello dear friends, you can see here the peace lily plant. It is also known as the spathiphyllum, which is a flowering plant. As you can see, the beautiful white blooms are already here on the low-lying stems of the plant. There is a bud here. There is a beautiful flower in its blooming form, and these are buds, as you can see. And the peace lily is basically an indoor plant. It is easy to care for. It can tolerate low light, but it requires moist soil. So you must keep the soil moist most of the time. They are evergreen plants, and they have rosettes of glossy dark green leaves which are found near the stems. It is not a very tall plant, as you can see in the pot. They are not very tall plants. The peace lily, as the name suggests, is a plant which endows your garden or your indoors with an ambience of peace and calm. Uh, as I said, it is not a very tall plant, and it is a native of tropical regions of America and South Asia. So you must take care that it should be kept in shade and away from from direct sunlight. So any place in your garden where indirect light is received would be ideal for the peace lily plant. The soil should remain mostly moist as far as possible. It should not be dry, but also avoid making the soil too soggy. And so this is an ideal plant for indoors or somewhere in your garden where you can keep them away from direct sunlight. It would be nice to have this plant in your garden. It is an oxygen producing indoor plant, and that is why it is considered to be ideal for indoor spaces. It is also not harmful to animals. It should be kept away from the harsh sunlight as suggested earlier. Spray with water and keep them moist. They love the moisture. So any place where you can keep them moist will be ideal for your peace lily plant. And as you can see, they are flowering in April. So April, May is the ideal time for them to flower. Um, but you can find flowers on them later as well. But in the summer months, you must keep them away from harsh sunlight. So, happy gardening with the beautiful peace lily plant.